Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This lecture is about PMS screening test. What is the syllabus of PMS screening test? In this video, I will tell you how many candidates applied for PMS and how many candidates will be qualified for descriptive examination and what will be the expected cutoff score. So the syllabus for PMS screening test will be a new one. In the previous PMS KPMS screening test 2018, the syllabus was there were 40% English MCQs and 60% general knowledge. And I have observed that most of the mentors are referring the previous screening test, but I think Commission will not follow the previous procedure of screening test in the upcoming 2021 PMS screening test. The pattern will be totally new. There will be a new pattern which have already adopted by the KPPSC in the previous Tehsildar screening test and the prior to that the previous Naib Tehsildar screening test. So the new pattern of screening test for the PMS will be there will be 50% English MCQs and 50% general knowledge MCQs. English portion will be totally consist of English vocabularies only. There will be not a single English MCQs from English grammar. There will be 10 synonyms and 10 antonyms, and there will be 10 terminologies, or you can say it one word substitution. In this portion, the definition will be given, while there will be 4 options in which you will have to select the appropriate term. And after that, there will be 10 phrases. There will be 10 English phrases. The phrases will be too difficult. Actually, all English part will be too much difficult. The English portion will be not easy. All the synonyms, antonyms, phrases, one word substitution, these all will be difficult. Apart from there, there will be some English idioms, and maybe there will be some few English spelling corrections. So this English portion will be consist of 50 MCQs, while the rest of the paper will be consist of 50 MCQs of general knowledge. In GK, there will be Indo-Pak history, some current affairs, some world general knowledge. And remember, there will be 4 to 5 English, not English, there will be 4 to 5 capitals and currencies from the world countries. So all aspirants should install any application for memorizing of capitals and currencies of the countries. It will be an easy way to memorize the capitals and currencies of the world. So that was about the syllabus of PMS screening test. Apart from that, about 33,000 candidates had applied for PMS. So KPPC will shortlist 25 candidates per seat for the written examination. As per that formula, about 3,000 candidates will be shortlisted for the descriptive examination. Total 33,000 candidates had applied for the post of PMS, and 3,000 will be set in the descriptive examination. And the expected cutoff score for the descriptive examination in the screening test will be around about 60. I think candidate who scored 60 will be in safe zone, but try to have higher score because there will be still some risk in the screening test of PMS. Most of the officers are generally sitting in the competition, therefore the competition will be higher. But I think it's not difficult to be among the top 3,000 candidate. So it is not a big hurdle to clear the screening test. And all those candidates who have already passed the screening test of previous Tehsildar or Naib Tehsildar, they need no worry, because they have to prepare for themselves for descriptive examination directly. So guys, this was the end of the lecture. For your further queries, you can ask in the comment section.